What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we are replacing the Anode on our hot water tank for our camper. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so once you get the Anode out, throw it away. Alright, now go ahead and release the pressure in the tank. Then you can use this hose to flush out all of the rocks and sand that were previously in the tank. And I will also put a link in the description below for that hose that flushes out the tank, so once you replace your new rod, it doesn't keep on clogging your tanks. So for the new Anode, make sure you put some plumber's tape around the thread to ensure it's nice and tight, but don't over tighten it when you put it in. Alright everyone, it's a pretty simple tip to do, and it was starting to clog our lines, so if you run into a problem with gray or rock sand clogging the lines, don't worry, it's just the Anode. It's really crazy how the old rod looks literally like gravel and is so different compared to the new rod. So definitely, if you see any rocks or gray sand in your line, you know what it is. Alright, thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels. See you on the road.